Hey everybody, welcome back to another grilling video, and today we are doing a simple recipe, but it is unbelievably phenomenal. This is a pepperoni grilled cheese sandwich. I know it sounds wacky, but ever since our kids were small, we used to make this. It's one of those simple, easy things to do, and it tastes absolutely delicious, and it's easy to do on the Blackstone. Let me show you what we need. Really simple. Pepperoni, sliced American cheese, and bread with butter. That's it. Easy, easy, simple. Let me show you how we prep it. Okay. We've got our two burners over on this side on low. We're just going to go ahead and add us a little bit of butter here. Butter is the way you want to go if you're making this. The reason we're doing that is because this butter will get nice and brown, your brown butter. It's very, very flavorful. I'm going to take our bread. I'm going to start putting that right down here. Get a little bit of that butter on there. That's sitting right here. We're going to have to work quick with these. As soon as we flip these over, we're going to toast the outside of them. Look at that. That's toasted already. We're going to get our cheese on here. I'm going to do 2 pieces of cheese on each one. Do you want cheese on yours, Swabby?
Yeah.
Just 1 piece?
I have to put on that. I guess that's the only part I can talk.
All right, and now we're just going to dole our pepperoni right out on these guys. 4 slices of pepperoni on each. Get that one griddled up a little bit. Now, I know these are going to be getting really toasted, so we're going to get these over onto the warmer side here. Same with this piece. Let's get that on here. I heated up that piece of pepperoni a little bit right on the griddle. And that's it. That is how fast these guys cook up. Simple and easy. Let me show you what these guys look like. And there we have our amazing pepperoni grilled cheese. You got to watch these don't slide off of there because that cheese is so gooey. Look how good that looks. All right, everybody, that's it. We're about to get the taste test from Super Swabby. How is it?
Oh,
Bite hard. Oh!
crunchy.
I know, it's the toast. Can I taste a bite? Let's give it a shot. Huh. Such a simple and easy thing to do. And the kids absolutely love this. That's it. Grilled pepperoni and cheese. We'll see you.
I don't even like cheese.
I know, but you like that, don't you?
Yeah.
So here's why I was telling you this morning when you asked for something to eat, how hard it is to pick for you. You like cheese and don't like cheese sometimes, but not other times, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to take another bite.
Have at it. Make sure you bite all the way through it, though.
Ooh.
All right, everybody. Safe and happy grilling. We'll see you next week out here on the Blackstone.